Let me guess. You bought a laser, fired it up, and now it's collecting dust like that gym membership you swore you use. I see you there, staring at your $2,000 paperweight, wondering if you just bought the world's most expensive nightlight. Here's the thing. Everyone tells you to start small, but nobody tells you what small actually means. Well, I'm about to fix that. Coasters. Not sexy, not Instagram worthy, but they're the difference between I have a laser and I make money with a laser. Look, I've been the guy refreshing Etsy at 2 a.m. wondering why my custom keychains aren't flying off the digital shelves. Turns out people don't buy what you think is cool, they buy what solves their problems. And everyone has the same problem, where to put their drink without ruining furniture. Revolutionary, right? Today I'm putting 4 materials through the laser gauntlet. Wood, the reliable friend. Slate, the fancy one that breaks your heart. Cork, the overachiever nobody expected. Leatherette, the wild card that smells like regret. By the end of this, you'll know which one actually makes money and which one belongs in the seem like a good idea pile. Quick sidebar, if you're watching this anywhere near fall, congratulations. You just stumbled into gold mine season. Football's back, which means grown adults are suddenly very serious about where they place their beer. Thanksgiving's coming, so families need something to argue about besides politics. And Christmas? Don't even get me started on the personalized gift panic. Point is, coasters aren't just coasters right now. They're solutions to seasonal problems. Let's talk numbers because your landlord doesn't accept creative fulfillment as payment. Wood blanks go for about 35 cents to 75 cents each. Sell for $9 to $49. Slate, 60 cents to $1.20. Sell for $17 to $29. Cork, 12 cents. Yes, 12 cents. Sell for $10 to 20 bucks. Leatherette, $1 tenths. Sell for $25 to $35. So just so we are on the same page, on average, if you bundle 4 or 6 together, you're looking at anywhere from $15 to $50 per set. Add a gift box, now it's $60. The math is stupid simple. Buy low, laser something useful, sell high. Now real talk. I get most of my blanks from Alibaba. Yeah, I said it. Before you start typing angry comments about supporting local, let me ask you this. Would you rather support local businesses with the profits from your successful laser business, or support nobody because you went broke buying $3 blanks? Get the best deal wherever you can find it and go from there. I'll drop the supplier link below. Not an affiliate thing, just sharing what works. Here's where it gets fun. I created today's design using ChatGPT in about 10 minutes. No Illustrator subscription, no design degree, just me asking an AI to make pretty pictures. If you want the exact prompt I used, just type the word prompts in the comment section and I will send it to you. Because honestly, life's too short to spend 3 hours making coaster designs. With coasters are like the reliable X of the coaster world. They burn clean, smell like a campfire, and are perfect for that rustic charm people pay extra for. Verdict, solid choice, never let you down. Unless you burn your house down, running your laser too high. Slate coasters are the high maintenance beauty. They look expensive, feel premium, but break if you look at them wrong. Verdict, these have great margins but can be terrible for shipping. Cork coasters are actually my surprise MVP. These engrave like butter, absorb like a sponge, and cost basically nothing. Verdict, your profit margins, new best friend, plus they make nice freebies. Lastly, leatherette coasters are the wild card. They smell like a tire fire, looks like $1 million bucks, stretch is kind of weird, but customers love them. Verdict, these are high risk, but an even higher reward if you do them right. Overall, you can't go wrong with any of these, and it comes down to personal preference. Currently, I am experimenting with using the leatherette in my shop because of its colorful versatility and ease of use. It has some really nice benefits. I recently made this cord organizer case. Same settings, same smell, but now I can sell this thing for 30 to 40 bucks when it only cost me $13 to make. That's the real secret. Once you dial in settings for one thing, you can laser 10 other things with the same material. But I gotta be honest, coasters aren't gonna make you rich overnight, but they'll teach you everything you need to know about running a laser business. How materials behave, how to price without crying, how to ship without going broke, how to turn a hobby into actual income. Most importantly, they'll get you from I own a laser to I run a laser business. And if you're wondering what else people are actually buying and engraving with their lasers right now, not just what YouTube gurus say they're buying, check out this next video. Until then, stop overthinking and start engraving. Your bank account will thank you. Keep engraving smarter, not harder. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.